Hello guys, welcome back again. So today's I'm going to show to you how to create this viral video of scrolling Spotify on your Capcut application. So the way to create it, you can just go to your Capcut and then make a new project. Then here on the new project that you already opened, you need to insert a video that you want to add this effect like this. And the next part, you just need to go to this overlay button on the toolbars and then open it and then add an overlay. Here, don't forget to prep this video of scrolling time on your Spotify like this. Okay, when you already create this video, now you just need to add it onto this video clip, this one. Okay, kind of like this. And then the next part, you just need to positioning it onto the exact position and exact duration that you want, kind of like this. And then the next step, click the overlay video, this one. Then swipe left the toolbars until you found this transform. Then click it and click this resize to cut the access from this screen record Spotify, kind of like this. Then I think I'm going to cut it one more time and put it on this side like this. Okay, when you're done, now I just need to hit this check button like this. Okay, the next step, now you need to swipe left again the toolbars until you found this mask button, and you can use this circular or a rectangle mask as you want. For me, I'm going to use the circle mask and then decrease the size of it like this and like this. And now the next part, you need to increase the size of the feather like this. Don't increase it too much, just on this position, just like this. Okay, now when you're done, just hit this check button like this, and as you can see, the screen record of your Spotify is already on this video, and it's look like it's matched on the first clip of the video. And you can follow my suggestion, this one, by decreasing the opacity from this overlay clip. Swipe left the toolbar until you found this opacity button, then click it and decrease the opacity onto this position 50, or you can decrease it more as you want like this, but I would like to use this 50 like that, and then hit the check button, and now it's much more clean as you can see. And I'm going to show to you the result right now, kind of like this. You can create a same motion onto it by adding your own video on the first clip, and yep, kind of like that. And that's the way how to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.